Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Byte Flick, the place to unlock your tech potential. Whether you are a newcomer or a tech expert, this is the place to level up your skills. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and get the latest updates on my other tech tutorial videos. In this video, we will be going through how to install the Opengamepanel on Ubuntu or Debian server. So let's get into it. First, log in into your server with any SSH client. I am using a Windows 10 built-in SSH client. I am using fresh Ubuntu 22.04 version. You can install the OGP panel on any Ubuntu or Debian version. After login, copy and paste the command from the description. Running this command will take some time. After running these two commands, it is very important to reboot your server. After rebooting, enter the following command to install the necessary components. You can find all these commands in the description. This command will install the Apache Web Server, PHP version 8.1, MariaDB Server 10.6 and other essential PHP components, which is very important to install because this will run and host the Opengamepanel on your Linux server. Next, we will be binding MySQL to all addresses by using the below command. Now we will set up the MySQL server by running the following command. Press enter if you have not set up the MySQL password. Since we have fresh Ubuntu, we will have not set up any password for MySQL. We will be pressing enter key. Type N and press enter key. Type Y and press enter if you want to change the password. Since we are using a fresh OS, we want to set up the MySQL password. We will type Y and press enter. Type your desired password 2 times. Remember this MySQL password because it is very important and we will be using this password while installing Opengamepanel. Type Y and press enter key to remove anonymous user. Type Y and press enter key to prevent root from login remotely. Type Y and press enter key to remove test databases and their access. Type Y and press enter key to reload tables. That's it. We have successfully set up the MariaDB server. Now to manage the databases and their users, we need to install a tool named PHPMyAdmin. Execute the following command. Since we are using the Apache web server, we will press the spacebar to select the Apache 2 option and press Enter key to continue. Select Yes and press Enter to set up the database for PHPMyAdmin. Here type your MySQL password 2 times which we have set up before. Now PHPMyAdmin is installed and we will be installing OGP panel files by using this script. Copy and paste the following commands. This script will download OGP panel files and configure the database and its user credentials automatically. Now here enter the password that we used in setting up the MySQL. Save this information somewhere safe. This is very important because we need this while installing Opengamepanel. Now open your web browser and access your server IP. Here enter the details which the script has generated before. Now enter your admin username and password. Ignore this message because the script will automatically delete the install.php file and correct the permissions. Log in into the Opengamepanel with the credentials you set up. Congratulations, we have successfully installed the Opengamepanel on the Ubuntu server. So that's all. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Do not forget to press the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the update on my latest videos. If you want videos on any other topic, then comment below. We will try our best to help you. Thank you.